Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was on Friday and then you look at where it closed today, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. However, this does lead to the valid question, though, of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at, let's see, what is that? $1.95. Why is $1.95 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.95. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here. I'm not saying it will, but just for example's sake, goes on a pretty drastic pullback, comes down around here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as $1.95. Now, what about areas of resistance? For this, let's scrunch up the chart here a little bit, go back into the history, and let's see. Eyeball test, I can't tell if that's where it hit today or not, but let's see. Close, but didn't quite hit it. So right up there at about $2.58, give or take, is going to be that next key level of resistance. If you go back to the history of the chart, you can see right here, knocked it down, knocked it down, knocked it down. And then, like I said, got relatively close to it today, but couldn't quite push through it. But regardless, right around 258, 260 is going to be that next key level of resistance. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.